Hello everyone, this is How Logical, and in this video I will show you guys how to check Spotify stats and streams. And if you are new to this channel, hit that like and subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you guys don't miss our future video. So without saying anything, let's start the video. So basically stats and streams on Spotify means plays. So it means how much plays that you have got on Spotify. So basically stats and streams means how much plays that you have got on your song. So let me show you guys what it means. So let's say I want to see stats and streams of my favorite singer. So for that, what you guys need to do is go on search and then search for your favorite artist. So for me, it's Louis. So I'm just gonna click here. And as you guys can see, any song named Someone You Loved has got this much plays, and there are lots of songs of his. So in Before You Go, as you guys can see, there are a lot of plays. So these are the plays and these are the stats of the artist. So let's say that you want to see your own stats and streams. So for that, you need to become a verified artist, which means to become an artist you have to at least publish one song on Spotify. So when I go over here and click on profile, as you guys can see, I don't have that verified artist icon. So I'm not an artist, I'm just a listener. So this account is for listener only. So if you want to see your stats and streams, you need to have a artist account. So now let me teach you guys how you can make an artist account on Spotify. To make an artist account on Spotify, the first thing that you guys want to do is go on Google and then search for Spotify artist. And once you have searched for that, there should be a link for artists.spotify.com. You want to click on that. So once you are at the homepage of Spotify artists, what you guys want to do is go and click on get access. So once you have clicked on that, as you can see, if you are already part of a team, which means if you already have an account for Spotify artist, then you want to go and click on login. But if you don't have any account on Spotify artist, then you just want to click on artist or manager. You just want to click over here and then you want to create an account for your Spotify artist. But if you have already an account, then you just want to go and click on login. And after that, you can see your Spotify stats and streams if you have published any songs on Spotify. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and if you have question, feel free to comment down in the comment section. And without saying anything else, thanks for watching the video and peace out.